We've reached the main river and there's no way across. I think the quickest route we're going to have to go for a swim. I can hear in the background a waterfall, but it could be a mile away. It's very distant. And quickest route definitely going to be straight across. Always remember, lid on the beer, keeps it nice and fresh. Thirsty work when you cross. Doesn't look like much of a current, but there is one. And we're certainly going to need a drink when we get to the other side. Just a quick screw. Yep. And we just got to go. Most important thing is to keep as much as you can dry. You just got to go for it. I won't embarrass you, but I am totally getting undressed, so keep the lunch and meat in there. Anyway, off we go. And we should be able to touch down in at any moment. It's cold, but that was quicker. Crucial thing now. Get out as best as we can. That was cold. Cheers.